Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, we must welcome back to our YouTube channels and also must welcome back to our Factory Talk View Studio tutorial. So engineers, in this video today we are going to just discussing about rotation in Factory Talk View Studio. It is the important part of the Factory Talk View Studio. So how to apply any animation like as rotation animation, horizontal or animation, any xyz types of animation I have already discussed about in previous video. So in this video we are going to just discussing about how to apply rotation animation in Factory Talk View Studio. So you want to just learn about this animation in Factory Talk View Studio, so keep this video and watch this video at till end. So let's come to the point. First of all, you have to just select this fan. Actually, why you have to select this fan? Because I have to apply the animation, a rotation animation on it. So first of all, I have just start a stop push button. Actually, I have one for a start, one for a stop push button, and just I have to go to the libraries section, and where I have to just click on plus icon and go to the motor. When I have to go to the motor, then you have to select, there are many objects like as this type of fans and like as this type of fan, drag and drop, but I have to apply the rotation animation on both. Understand what I want to say to you? So first of all, I have to just apply the start stop properties on it, like as connection, as my connection है start motor, ये मैंने टैग इसमें दिया हूँ just, and stop I have to already give the tag in it. So now I have to give the tag on in this object, like as go to animation and go to rotation, then you have to select and you have to delete this and go to the 30,000. Why 30,000? Because I have a timer. This is the start logic, and motor will be start, and then when motor will be start, then 30 minutes timer will be start. The accumulator value is 0 and preset value is 30,000. So I have to just apply the 0 to 30,000, and this tag I have to also already delete it, and at minimum 0 to 360 from center point. And in expression, in the rotation properties expression range, यूज टैग मीन एंड मैक्स प्रॉपर्टीज। कहने का मतलब कि ये मीन और मैक्स प्रॉपर्टीज, आपका कोई ऐसा टैग हो जो मीन और मैक्स दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज को लेता हो, देन आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। यूज कंस्टेंट इज अप्लाई फॉर द मिनिमम वैल्यू 0 and maximum value 30,000, like this minimum value 0 and maximum value 30,000. एंड रीड फ्रॉम टैग, मतलब रीड फ्रॉम टैग क्या होता है कि आपका दो टैग है, एक 0 मिनिमम है, एक दूसरा टैग मैक्स है। ठीक, रोटेशन डिग्री क्या है? देखिए रोटेशन डिग्री, कोई भी रोटेट क्या होगा, 0 से लेके 360 डिग्री पे वो रोटेट होता है। तो एट मिनिमम 0 डिग्री, एट मैक्सिमम 360 डिग्री। सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन, सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन मीन्स फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव टू रोटेट द ऑब्जेक्ट, फ्रॉम I have to just rotate the object from center point, and just go to the tag and just browse accumulator tag. Then you have to just click on it and press OK button. Now I have to condition all tag, and I have to choose use constant 0 to 30,000 and apply on it. And now I have to go to animation same as previous and go to the rotation, and just I have to delete this and use constant, it means 0, and max value is 30,000, and mean and max value is 360, and go to the center, then apply no and browse the tag accumulator tag, then OK, apply and close it. So now I have to emulate it. Just you have to see, when I have to press start button, then it will be rotate, and this object will be not rotate. Why? So first of all, I have to go to the animation and rotation, HMI communication 0 to 30, and this it will be 360. Now I have to apply it. When I have to press start button, both the fan will be rotate, both the object will be rotate from left to right. This is the rotation in FactoryTalk View Studio. I hope you will be understand what is rotation in FactoryTalk View Studio. So engineers, next video is just I am discussing about hyperlink in FactoryTalk View Studio. If you don't miss this video, go and watch my upcoming videos about hyperlink properties in FactoryTalk View Studio. And this is the I have to just cover about rotation object in FactoryTalk. Next is hyperlink. So you have to do not miss the hyperlinks video. So let's come to the next video. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.